you doing, man?
Good, man.
Good. Good. Did you fix the bearing?
No.
Okay, I got the tools.
You have everything? How much you charge me for fix it?
I'll help you fix it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, and I pay you something.
No.
No?
What kind of work do you do?
Huh?
What kind of work do you do?
I do remodeling.
Oh yeah, we can work something out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see this one right here? It's this one right here, but the top one is broken right here.
Okay, the top one is the top one is the important one.
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
The bottom one is exhaust. The bottom one can leak.
Yeah, that one has a little hole, right?
Yeah.
I see the videos.
No, we'll take it off and put a new bearing in. Hi there. You got a grease seal right here.
Yeah, and on the side, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
The new bearings don't have grease
Yeah.
seals, but yeah,
Yeah,
you got to have it's like a $200 bar.
Yeah.
To put the bearing in.
You have the bar or no?
I have the bar.
Oh, okay.
For Volvo Pinta.
Yes, I see the videos on YouTube.
Yeah. So I got the
it?
bar and wrenches and everything to take the prop. I had the dual prop.
Okay.
So the Volvo Pinta has got another prop here.
Yep.
This one goes this way, that one goes that way.
Yep.
So I have the tools to do all of them.
Okay.
So yeah, just let me know.
When I stop the boat, I want to take this one to fix it for me. It's one place over there
In Lewisville?
Yeah. No. It's on 35 and I think at Barwood. It's a farmer's branch. It's over there.
Okay.
I don't know how much it's gonna charge me, but I think it's only 120 or 150.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Get your prop tuned.
Yeah.
And it's good to take the lower unit off anyway.
Yeah.
So we just unbolt right here. These three. Take these off and the whole thing comes out.
Yep.
I'll send you a video, but you have to make a stand to set it on. So it's 2x4s.
Yep. Okay.
You make a stand, you slide it under there, unbolt it, pull it out.
And leave it like for the whole
winter.
The whole winter, okay.
Now, don't start the boat with it like this, because you got U-joints in there.
Oh, okay.
Right, and if you're cranked up, your U-joints are like this.
Got it.
So it's really stressful on them.
Oh, okay. So it's better
lower it down.
Okay, got it.
If it's up like this is for moving, not for starting.
Oh, okay.
So it could be your that's your bearing.
Yeah, I hear when I run the boat. Yeah, but right now it's a little vibration, but not too much.
Yeah. Well, when it locks, it locks.
Oh yeah.
When it locks,
But it's not.
You're okay.
So it's like it's break something. No?
Yeah.
It's gonna cost more, right?
Well, if it locks, it's gonna squeal, and you're not gonna be able to get back. You're gonna have to tow the boat in.
Oh, okay, got it. I hope so.
Well, so the reason why you should take this off every year is to grease the U-joints too.
Okay, got it.
So when we pull this off, we'll change the oil, change the seal, change the gimbal bearing, and either change or grease the U-joints.
Yeah. Okay.
And then the bar that I have, you slide it in there and it makes sure that the engine is perfectly aligned.
Yes.
So every year you got to make sure it's perfect so that it comes straight off. Because if it's a little bit like this, it'll wear your stuff out.
Okay, got it.
So yeah, that one tool does all of it.
Yeah, I see on YouTube it's a big bar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or make it straight the bearings and everything.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, shouldn't be too hard. Just
you wanna go? I'm just going to right here. That's it.
nah, I got all my stuff over there. Okay. Maybe next time.
No problem. It's fine.
Next time, bring all the chiquitas, man. You
there,
bring them a few times, and then they're like, we don't want to go.
No, right now, the kid, he don't want it because he said the water is too cold already.
It's 78 degrees.
I know, but it's...
Panosa.
Yeah.
Hi there. How are you doing today? You like riding on the boat? Yeah. You bring your fishing pole? Why not?
I don't have one.
You don't have a fishing pole? You gotta tell him. Give me a fishing pole. Ah. Yeah, they are.
I've been putting, look, I got too much, like, look, instead of putting my full skill, I only got the head now. It's too much, for me.
Yeah.
This is perfect, it's the head, only the head.
Hell yeah. Thank you, man.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Have fun. Get that girl a fishing pole, man. Bluegill is one of the best catfish baits there is.
It's working, like, I'm saying, like, it doesn't take any time. Like, I keep having, like, hits, but I think it was too big. I had too big of a piece on there.
Yeah, cut it up into little chunks.
Little chunk, yeah.
Big bait catches big fish.
And they're eating it.
Small bait catches all fish.
Yeah, so get them all. Because the smaller ones are nibbling on it, but they're eating right around the
Nice. I got 3. Yeah, they're killing catfish over here. No, I'm catching bass. They got some big catfish over here. Like a 9, 10 pound. 9 or 10. Yeah. About that big. Yeah. They had a fishing tournament here this weekend. They released all the fish here. Saturday and Sunday they had tournaments. The high school tournament was on Sunday. They pack the trailer in here and they dump them all right here. So there's like 200 fucking fish, all keepers. I'm doing a rattle trap right now. We just been killing them.
Nice.
And they're all keepers because they're all the
I didn't know they did.
tournament fish.
So you kind of like keep your...
I got a video on my YouTube of them back in that trailer down there.
Yeah.
They open the back and it's like fucking fish torpedoes, man. So you see how the dock's hollow?
Oh yeah.
They're all up under there. That's too shallow.
Yeah.
Still
too hot out.
Well, you know there's an old road underwater over here, right?
Oh, I didn't. Under the bridge?
Yeah. I walk out on that road about to the end of the jetty.
Yeah.
About 100 yards this side of the bridge.
You were walking?
Yeah, there's a road over there,
Man, so it's only...
the old highway. So it's like a gravel road. There's telephone poles and all kinds of shit down there. That's a kick-ass spot. But yeah,
No, that's a duck place. I got bored in the off season.
most of my videos are over here, but if I want to, and I come over here a lot after the,
You on Instagram?
I'm on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok,
What's your handle?
Little Elm Fishing.
Yeah, I've actually seen your videos. I was like, okay, well, this guy gets out here and catches them. And I saw him on my page because I've been little for 2 years now.
Nice. Most of my videos are going to be here during the summer because the girls with fat booties and the drunk people. Fishing that road over there, I do really well.
So you just walk pretty much this whole cove right there?
Yeah.
Huh. I always see
But
a
I
bunch
can-
of people
I can go out there.
fish fishing like that.
Yeah. You can see a little bit of the road over here where it starts,
Oh, I mean,
but it goes all the way under. That's where the old bridge
where the
was.
levee starts?
Yeah.
So you kind of been around here for a while?
25 years. I have a house. I have a lakefront house over in Cottonwood Cove.
Okay. I'm not familiar with the cove. I'm over, you go right there. Over off, wait, did you say Alcove?
Cottonwood Cove.
Okay.
I'm off
I
Hardwick.
think the road's called like Alcove or something
Oh.
like that.
You know where Hardwick is? Right where the police station is? The double lights?
Oh, yeah? Okay, so you're in one of these nurseries, or are you
Yeah.
on, are you on the,
I'm behind Hula
east
Hut.
side? Hula Hut? Okay.
So Hula Hut and I share a beach.
There you go. That's pretty
But
sweet.
Cottonwood Park's down at the end of that road. If I want to go catch a lot of fish, that's where I go. That's the one at the end of this peninsula. Not since I was a kid in California.
This is a lot of work. We came out here about
Uh-huh. Honestly, they walk up in my yard if I leave the gate open.
yeah,
And at that point, they're pets. So
because you can't hunt that side. They know they can just hang out there.
I can't hunt them until they walk in my yard, but I can kill livestock. But yeah, the geese too.
Get a little air out, nobody's gonna say anything.
No, don't walk in the house if you want them to. Hop out of his way.